Most people don't realize when you say New York, that New York has something that looks like this. Once they get out here, one of the first things they say is, oh my goodness, I had no idea.
One of the things I love about the Finger Lakes region is that it's really a 4-season outdoor space.
I have some friends that we go hiking and I'm like, hey, you wanna go hiking or you wanna go hiking? I love just being outdoors, especially out here in the Finger Lakes regions, because it's just majestic, it's beautiful. You get out to nature, you just kind of center and reconnect.
It sparks wonder. It kind of puts me back in like a curious, childlike place.
Something that makes the Finger Lakes and the Genesee Valley so unique is that it's very rugged. The landscape can be really dramatic, but it's super accessible.
We believe that that is a fundamental right of people to be out in natural spaces. Some of it has to do with creating opportunities like the track chair, which is, a tool that you can use to really get further out into the trails, or regrading a trail and changing it from muddy mulch to stone dust, which allows people to maneuver through it.
The Autism Nature Trail was designed for school-age children with autism. So this is an opportunity to explore and exercise in this sort of natural environment with these natural materials that maybe they haven't encountered before in a way that they're really interested in.
My best clients are people that never go out in nature. I had someone from Philadelphia come. She had never been on a hike in her entire life. Her spirit of realizing that she could do it at that time just was absolutely incredible. That's what gets to me, is when I see that and we get to experience it with them.
We really feel like if we can create trails for that multi-generational family, we really create an opportunity to cast a broader net to bring people outside.
And when you're in the Finger Lakes, you know it, even if you're in the beautiful sculpted gorge of Watkins Glen, or you're here at Teganic, where it's large and open. The geology is just the main draw that has been bringing people here for hundreds of years.
When you come out to do this hike, you are actually right where they dug the canal, started in 1840. So now you're not only in the woods, but you're in history.
I'm really excited to continue the growth of New York State Parks, to really make sure that our facilities are for everyone. And along with that, tying in stewardship and making that word not foreign to people, so that they understand how we can exist in a place, not cause harm to it, and actually make it healthier at the same time.
And if we can get people out, that's what I live for here.